inserting case number or an ID for participant for data in SPSS. Here I have data for score 1 and score 2 in SPSS, and I want to generate an ID or case number for these scores. And the way to do that through SPSS is to use the compute command. So if we click on transform, compute variable, reset this, I'm going to generate a variable called ID number or participant. And in the function group, I'm going to click on all, then select case number, move the case number into numeric expression, and click the OK icon. A variable column is generated that has an ID participant in it from 1 up to 200. Just doing few modification on the width and the decimals of the variable. I'm going to change this into 0 and make it center and change that into 6, and then look at the view here. So we have here an ID number and then score 1 and score 2. To move the ID number into the far left hand side, so look, select that and move it up, and that will generate an ID on the left hand side, and then the score number 1 and score number 2. This is the way to generate ID participant for participant using the compute command in SPSS.